potatoes can be extremely boring, but this sunny side potato recipe will leave you wanting more. I'm Thelma, and this is the Hungry Dolphin Kitchen. Let's get cooking. So add some vegetable oil into your pan. So I'll put my potatoes in. Just want to saute that for about 5 to 7 minutes until it is crispy and golden brown. So I'm about to add my eggs in. I'll just drizzle some vegetable oil in it and then create 2 wells, or create 2 holes or circles in the middle of my potatoes. That's where the egg will be going in. So I'm going to add my eggs in right now. First egg. The second one somewhere here. Season with some salt and black pepper. And then I'll just leave that to cook for about 3 minutes with my lid on. Our potatoes are ready now. I'll just take that off the heat. I'll finish that off with some grated cheese, some cherry tomatoes, and finally some parsley. For more easy and delicious recipes, be sure to smash the subscribe button below. We'll see you in our next video. Bye!